you. This is Els coming in from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I'm going to do something I don't normally do. A Dollar Tree haul. Right? Okay. So, our Dollar Tree's been pretty empty lately. Hubbard likes those fragrance oils they carry, the vanilla one, and they haven't had them lately. So every time I see a Dollar Tree, I go in to look. And I got some today. But as we were walking through, I saw a bunch of other things that we've never seen before. So let me show you the first thing we found. All right, so the first thing we found that we've never seen in there before are these. Yeah, those are important. So I had to grab them. Really important, okay? So then I was going around the corner and I saw these. And they're calling this floral ribbon, 30 feet. 30 feet. And so, like, I went like this, you know, because usually these things are 3 feet. Oh my God, it really is 30 feet. So I grabbed that in the silver and the gold, and I was like, you know, Christmas crafting and stuff. This is great for, you know, putting on, like, backgrounds and stuff like that. So I grabbed those. Can't beat it, right? So we walked down the aisle a little further, and I found... Let me get these out of here. I know they're in here. Ah! I found these. These are icing combs, but you know what? These would work with mixed media, and they will work for texture paste. So grab those. And I found these, which are decorating tools, which is, you know, basically, again, can work fantastic with texture paste and stuff. So I grabbed those, and I thought, you know, these are really good for, like this one here. I use this one all the time. I have this one in metal, you know, and I use this one all the time when I'm doing my book binding and things. So I grabbed those. And then we went around the corner, and I found this, which is more like this, only this is like, it's like wood. You know, it's got like a wood grain to it. Birch, I would say. Again, they're calling this floral ribbon. They say there's 18 feet on here. And it's like, it's not really a ribbon. Let me see if I can get this open so we can see it. It's not really a ribbon. It's more like a paper. But it doesn't tear really easy, you know? Let's cut a piece of this off of here. We'll get back to you. So this way it tears real easy, you know? But it doesn't tear across. But I thought, you know, how cool is that? You know, it's like, it looks like birch. Like white birch. So I grabbed that because I thought that would be cool. I have this little piece of plastic. We'll just right around there. Whoop. Okay, there we go. Right on there. There we go. All right. And I found this. Glitter Table Runner is what this is called. And let me see if I can get this off of here. I can. Of course, there's tape on there. It's kind of it almost feels like Tyvek's in the back here. And you can't tear it. So that may be our, you know, our new source. Might all have glittery underbindings. But yeah, I grabbed a couple of those because I saw that. I thought that was neat. And then we were in the craft aisle and they had new fabrics. And I hate to say this, but, you know, they're stepping up their game a little bit here. I don't remember their fabrics being this cool just a year ago. But this is just a fat quarter. There we go. Let's take a look. And that is a fat quarter, 18 by 22. But it's really nice. It's a little sunflower print. I like that. So I grabbed it. And it was in the sticker aisle, and they had these chalkboard crop stickers. So you can cut this or put this through your machine, you know, and get whatever kind of chalkboard sticker you want. And there's 2 sheets in each one, which I thought was really cool. So I grabbed some of those. Some more of those. And this is a new brand they're carrying, Simply Home. And this is cotton craft string. And it's really a nice weight string. And it doesn't unravel, you know, like some of them do. So this is really nice. New baker's twine. And I found these. And I thought this was really cool. This is, they're calling this metal ribbon. Really can't show you too much of it because it's got this. Here, we'll get it off. I don't want to cut it off because I don't want this to completely unravel, but you know, we can move it over a little bit. So this is like, it's metal and it's cut like a ribbon. And according to this, it is 4.5 feet long. It is 1 inch wide. And I thought, that is stinking cool. So, yeah, they're carrying this now too. And it comes in different patterns. This is a completely different pattern. It's like a rose pattern. And this is like a little medallion. And Amy got one too. And I think hers is even different from these. But, you know, that's what I grabbed. All new stuff I've never seen before at the Dollar Tree. And so, you know, they're stepping up their game. Yes, they're charging $0.25 more per thing, but they seem to be stepping up their game. So we'll see. That's all I have for you. Listen, if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and your friends can be my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. I go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Sundays. Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's 11, 12, and 1 across the country, 8 o'clock over in Hawaii. I post videos on Mondays and Wednesdays. And I currently have 2 things going in 2022. One is my hashtag 12 of 22 journal challenge. Information for that is in the link in the description below. And if you want information on my free classes of 2022, all you have to do is make sure that when you ring that bell, you select the all button. And you will get notified every time I release a class. Until the next time, guys, stay well. Bye-bye.